Okay, this is our demo page. This is where we just have a bunch of cool stuff that you can test drive that we've been working on. On this page, you'll see a fully functional chat bot, and in this chat bot, you can ask questions regarding COVID. You can, it has a symptom checker. You can check in for your appointment for your clinic or physician. We named this Sir Alfred Pennyworth. Comment below if you know what that's in reference to. But we're not going to showcase this today. Today, we're going to showcase our SMS functionality. This patient help module allows you to test out some of the stuff that we can do with Twilio and SMS. So here we have an appointment reminder via SMS and we have an appointment reminder via voice. These are awesome interactive functionality. It gives the patient a QR code to do an express check-in, ability to pay the copay, ability to pay for parking. It gives you driving directions if it's in person. Just an awesome experience. We're not going to showcase that today though. We're going to showcase our survey. This is a survey via SMS, which is really good because it leverages behavior, something that patients are used to communicating with and engaging in conversation with. But we also have attached cognitive services from Azure. It allows us to do sentiment analysis on the spot and then respond appropriately. So that means if the user has a complaint, we could analyze the sentiment of that complaint and give a response right away. So let's see how this works. So we're going to enter our phone number. We're going to select our survey. And then we're going to go ahead and hit submit. Request has been requested. We get a text on our phone for the survey. Scale of 1 to 10, our overall session, and we're going to put 7. 7 is neutral, not bad or good. They're going to say, scale 1 to 10, how likely am I to recommend the services to a friend? I'm going to put 7. So far it's a neutral review. Could be better, but it is what it is. So for our feedback, we're going to put, this could have been better. It was okay, I guess. Now what's going to happen is we're going to enter that. This application is going to run it through the Azure Cognitive Services and give me back a sentiment score. Now this was not a good feedback, so we respond with, we're sorry to hear about that experience. Would you like a customer service rep to call you, yes or no? And we're going to put yes, I would, please. So when we hit yes, we get bad feedback saying the customer service will contact you shortly, and we'll look forward to serving you better. Negative review gets sent to the actual customer rep manager or the customer rep person that this customer has submitted a negative review and that he needs to be contacted. This gives you real-time responsiveness. This is really a conversation. Many times surveys, you submit it, you may not get any response back, or you might get it a week or two later. In this case, you're getting it immediately. You can address the user's concern at once, and it really helps you build that trust, to really build that relationship. But that's not all. We also have an application where all this gets collected and you can see the results, reporting and analysis of this. Application is called Let's Connect. And when you go to this application, you're able to see all of your surveys. And when you select a survey, you're able to see the stats of that survey. So this survey had 7 results, gives you the average score of the questions. Questions are dynamic, so it just happens to be that these are the questions we asked. And it gives you the question number. Obviously, when we're asked to give a number, it's pretty easy to have that analysis. But question 3 was feedback. And it tells you when there was a negative feedback and positive feedback with the lowest and highest score. Most of our feedback in this survey has been positive, so that's the average. And here it gives you a whole feedback of all the responses. Now the one that I want to show you is just the last one we just did, which was here. We gave it a 7.7 and it got a negative score. Now we're also able to see the details of that. So the sentiment analysis for this call as a whole, right, was negative. So 0 sentiment, 0 positive score, and 0 neutral score. And then it gives you per sentence. So this was a negative, this was a negative. And it gives you that on every sentence that is entered on the feedback. Again, gives you the ability to leverage technology to build better relationships, to be able to address the concerns of your users in real time. So that's our demo for today. Come back, we'll have a lot more stuff for you guys soon.